Do you want to say goodbye to knee pain for good? Here's the answer. Knee pain significantly impacts your quality of life and slows you down for your routine life activities. Practice these simple, science-backed tips to keep knees strong, healthy, and pain-free so you can move with confidence again. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintain a healthy weight as excess weight puts pressure on your knees, increasing the risk of osteoarthritis and other joint-related issues. Combine a balanced diet with regular physical activity to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Even losing 5 to 10 pounds can significantly reduce knee strain. Strengthen key muscles around your knees. One of the best ways to support your knees is to strengthen the surrounding muscles. Weak muscles put extra stress on your joints, which can lead to discomfort and even any injury. Here are 4 effective exercises recommended by experts. Leg raises. These help build strength in your quadriceps and hip flexors, which are crucial for bending and twisting movements. Clamshells. This exercise targets your glutes and stabilizes your hips, reducing strain on your knees. Bridges. Bridges include multiple muscle groups, including your hamstrings, glutes, and core, providing better support for your knees. Wall sits. Holding this position strengthens your thighs and calves while improving endurance. For optimal results, incorporate these exercises into your routine 2-3 times per week. Practice proper posture and movement techniques. Improper posture and incorrect movement patterns can strain your knees over time. Follow these tips to minimize unnecessary stress. When lifting heavy objects, bend at your hips and knees instead of rounding your back. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and distribute your weight evenly when standing or walking. Use ergonomic tools at work to maintain proper alignment during long hours of sitting. Small adjustments in how you move can help in preventing knee injuries. Move more, sit less. Sitting for a long time weakens muscles and stiffens joints. Take a short break and walk every hour. Choose low-impact activities. High-intensity workouts like running or jumping can increase existing knee issues. Instead, opt for low-impact activities that promote joint health without putting excessive pressure on your knees. Swimming and cycling are excellent choices as they are gentle on your joints. Walking on flat surfaces is another great option for your knees. Wear the right shoes. Wearing the right shoes is crucial for managing knee joint pain. Right shoes provide stability, ensure proper foot alignment, and absorb shocks, which helps reduce stress on the knees. Warm up and stretch. Warming up and stretching are also essential strategies to manage knee pain. Before engaging in exercises, it's important to warm up for at least 10 minutes using low-impact activities like walking or cycling, which prepares your muscles and joints for movement. Nourish your joints with the right foods. Your diet plays a significant role in maintaining healthy knees. Certain nutrients are particularly beneficial for joint and bone health. Calcium and vitamin D, found in foods like salmon, tuna, swordfish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. These nutrients are essential for strong bones. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Foods that fight joint inflammation. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, turmeric and ginger. Leafy greens and berries. Nuts and seeds. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporate rough oatmeal, whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables into your diet to maintain a healthy weight and reduce stress on your knees. Additionally, avoid processed foods, fried items, and sugary snacks, as they may contribute to inflammation. Listen to your body. Pain is a warning sign. Listening to your body is a crucial tip for managing knee pain. Pay attention to your body's signals and avoid overexertion, especially about knee discomfort. Healthy knees are vital for an active, fulfilling lifestyle. Take control of your knee health today. Start with these simple steps and you can keep your knees strong and pain-free for years to come. Always consult a healthcare professional if pain persists or worsens.